All right. Yes, okay. Musibye mutya abaganda bange kansubire nti muli bulungi. Muli bulungi. Kyekiriwo musibye mutya. Hope guys you are doing great. So we are called Modern Computer World UG, the experts of computing around town. Yes, we are. Long time we've not been here, but today we thank God. Okay, we came back. Okay, today we came back like never before. Okay, so today we are back. Okay, now, so today I'll be telling you so very many things again about computing, like you do it every day. So please guys, don't hesitate to double tap the screen as we do it every day. So when you see the machines, just know that the expert has just started the classes, you know. Let me first decrease this sound. Yes, okay. Check microphone 1 2, check microphone 1 2. We are Modern Computer World UG, the experts in computing. When you see me, just know that we have started the computer classes. We have so very many computers with us, so just join us so that we can get started. Today we'll be doing a lot of stuff about computing like we do it every day. So we have got very many laptops, guys, so I'm just putting them here so that you can see them as well. Okay guys, so I'm here to be teaching you stuffs about computing. So now today I'll be telling you more about computing like we do it every day. So if you are new here, just double tap the screen and we begin straight away. We are Modern Computer World UG, the experts of computing. We are located in Dubai Mall Metro Station Exit 2 Toyota building. That's where we are. We deal in so very many different things regarding computing. That is, we deal in selling laptops. We deal in, as you see them here, they are very good laptops, as you can see. Very good, very fantastic, very amazing, very biblical, you see. So now I need to tell you something. Most of people, when they are buying machines, they don't know what to deal with. They do not know what to consider when buying the machines. But like I tell you every day, that whenever you're going to buy a machine, you should consider the following things. These are the things that you should consider when buying computers. One, I told you the RAM, the generations. Up to now, you find people buying computers, but they don't know which type of computer they should buy. Those the prices and things to do with the brands and everything. Those ones, they may vary after doing what? After other things have done what? Remove the song in the background. Okay, bro. Thanks a lot. All right. So now, I was telling you that before you buy a machine, like for example, we have a Dell here and the HP. We have Dell and HP right there. So I have another machine here. I have also another Samsung inside here. I want to be showing you different brands so that whenever I'm explaining, I can explain regarding to the brands. So these different brands of the computer may not matter. What matters most are the specifications inside the machines. The specifications inside the machine. What are those specifications? Like I told you, when you are buying a machine, there are those things that you should consider. What are those machines? Those are things that you should consider. One, the computer generation. The computer generation is a fundamental factor for someone to consider. It is a fundamental what? A fundamental factor. So this is also a Samsung. Let me put here a Samsung so that you can also be seeing it. I don't know. Okay, let me just put it here down. This is Samsung. Okay, Dell, Samsung, HP. Okay, these are all brands. Okay, so now I was telling you, when you are buying a computer, there are things that you should consider. One, the generation. What is the computer generation? Computer generation is the technological development of computers over the years. Computer generation is the technological development of computers over the years. Like I told you, we began from the first generation computers. And the first generation computers, those computers were big in size and their performance was a bit slower. It was very slow. From there we went to the second generation computers, third generation computers, fourth, fifth and above. So meaning that when you are buying a computer, a generation is a very fundamental factor to consider. Computer generation is a very fundamental factor to consider when buying a machine. I'm at Dubai Mall Metro Station exit 2, Toyota building. That's where I am. We have all the laptops. Okay, we have all the laptops in different sizes. Hope you can see. This is HP smaller size, Dell, this is Samsung, and another one I have it here. We teach computer right from the scratch until you become an expert. We sell a computer to you, not only selling, but still we teach you how to use it. That's what we do. Okay, we have sold the computers to many around UAE. So please join our staff every day. Every day I'm always there. So now gwe ayagala kunega tako, those ones who want to join me, please nsindikira message oluva wano mbange nda kukola kikukuddamu. Tukusomesa okutandikira ku Microsoft Office package. Tukusomesa okutandika batya webateekako a computer. For example, I'm going to be showing you how we put in a computer. This is a machine I'm using right now. This is a Dell i7 generation 8. It is a very good machine. First of all, when we are buying machines, we consider also portability, portability, durability. This computer has a type C port, has USB port, and what else does it have? It has got a SD card, memory card port. It has got a SIM card. You can even insert a SIM card inside this computer. So it has got a network port. So this computer is very nice. Another thing, it is portable. You can see. So apart from being portable, what else can this is so unique about this machine? What is unique on this machine? Being it an i5, it is so fast. See, it is so fast. We are going to see the boot process of this machine. How fast is it when booting? For example, when I press Ctrl Alt and F4 and I say I'm going to say restart, we see how many seconds does this computer begin restart. So I click enter, restarting. So this machine is restarting. We are going to see how long does this machine take to restart. How long it is saying. So I just restart anyway because I have opened applications. Restart. So it is restarting. Is it updating? Getting Windows ready. So it is updating something, but it won't take long. Okay. So now this okay, I'm gonna visit. I'm staying at Union. Okay, visit please. So it has been updating, but still it has its work has been done fast. You see, it is now restarting. You are encountering what we call the speed. How do we determine the speed? Or what makes the computer for its speed to be high? One, the processor. For example, Intel processors begin from Pentium. A Pentium core machine, that one is much slower compared to For example, i3, i5, i7. So this is an i7 machine. When we reboot it again, this is called rebooting. When I reboot it again, restart. When I restart it again, you are going to see, because it is no longer going to update again. When I reboot it again, did I press enter? When I reboot it again, Control and Alt and F4. When I reboot it again, we are going to see how much speed does it take. Oh, what is rebooting? Oh, what is booting? Booting is the process. Is the process of doing what? Is the process of starting a computer. Is the process of doing what? Of starting a computer. That is booting. And booting has got two types. We have cold boot and warm boot. What is a cold boot? Cold boot, this is the process of starting a computer that has been previously powered off. A computer that has not been off, that has not been on, that is what we call cold booting. Then this one I'm doing, that is warm booting. A computer that has been on and I'm turning it, I'm restarting it, that is warm boot. So when they say booting, do not get lost. You can see the machine has already done what? Has already started. So this is an i5. An i5 machine. What is so unique about i5s? Oh no, i7. The difference is that the processor chips inside this machine is a bit faster compared to this one, because this one is an i5. This Dell you see here, it is an i5 machine. So when we are comparing i7 and i5, you can see this is an i7, the latest ones, and this one is an i5. So the same goes to this is Samsung i7, but the generation differs. Ati njagala ojje tukuguze computer ate tuzikusomese. Yes, then hi papa, how do we man? So now kakati zino machine hizo nango mazuzira bomaze gula computer chiche wetagisa kugambye wowe yagala kuteka ko computer yo okola otya. Abasinga you people, your computers are getting problems. Why? You don't know how to start a computer, you don't know how to shut it down. Lero ngenda kubalaga how do we shut down properly a computer, or how do we start properly a computer. When we are shutting down a computer, we don't just press the power button. No, that is very wrong 100%. Olimu kujimenya omutima. Computer bojono, at the moment you just press this one, and when you are shutting down, you are just spoiling it. How do we power on the machine? How do we shut down? I told you this is a slim computer, very portable, very easy, you can see, but the speed is high. In the evolution of computers, what do we base on? We look at decreasing the size but increasing the performance. The smaller the size, the higher the performance. That's in the evolution of computers. Now, when your computer is just like this, how do we turn it on? We come and open it up. After opening it up, every electronic device has got this button. You press it, just press it. When you press it up, you will see it will do what? It will start up. You will see the logo. So it has brought to there. So when it brings like this, meaning that it has started. Guys, double tap the screen, double tap the screen, double tap the screen. Let's reach at least 1K and share the live. It has started. Our computer, your computer is ready to be used. Your computer is ready to be used, please, guys. Here, your computer is ready to be used. How do you shut it down? Guys, most of you have been facing a problem of your computer bringing a blue screen saying your Windows ran into, or your computer ran into a problem. Ran into a problem to bring a blue screen. Why? You are improperly shutting down your machine. How do we properly shut down the machine? Because the moment you shut improperly the machine, it will do what we call Windows will be damaged. And when Windows get damaged, that's why your computer sometimes get that word onto the screen that your Windows ran into a problem. So how do we shut down the machine? Double tap the screen, share the live, let's proceed. How do we shut down the computer? The computer, we don't just press like this button here for it to shut down. You are welcome, camera. We don't just press this button. No. That is 1000% wrong. How do we shut it down? You come. There are very many ways of shutting down. I'm going to show you. The first one is by pressing Alt and F4. When you press Alt and F4, then a pop-up comes here saying shut down, restart, switch user, and everything. Another way of shutting down, you press Windows button. When you press, this is the Windows button, guys. Every computer has got Windows button. This is a Windows button. When you press this Windows button, hope you can see this one is coming. So when you go down in this corner, and you press this Windows button, you can see it still. Then something like this one will come up. Then you will see this button that resembles this one. That use of a problem I have been doing. Yeah. Then you will see the word shut down. You will see sleep, shut down, update and restart. Then you click shut down. There you have properly shut down. And for example, let me shut down. So when you click shut down, you see the computer is shutting down. The computer is shutting down. So here you wait until this button it is not lighting up. When it switches off, it has switched off. So your computer is now properly shut down. You can fold it and keep it. Do not fold your computer before that power button goes off. When you fold your machine before that power button goes off, meaning that the hard disk is still active, it may damage the system inside. And when you are not a technician like me, you may not be able to identify those errors. So now let's go back and power on my machine. So when I power on my machine, like I said, you just click once. Tolemeza olugalo. When you overpress like this, your computer again will get what we call forced shutdown. Wonyiga olugalo n'olemezaawo, meaning that ejja kuddako ate demegire. Ojja kulira ng'ekola katumbu ta ta kasita owulira mbu ta, meaning that wanyize n'olemezaawo. Nyigawo just mulundi gumu tap, ejja kuba egenzeeko ng'eyange weegenzeeko. So cut now, that is how we shut down. Another way is by using keys. Like for example, Control Alt and Delete. Control Alt and Delete. Control Alt and Delete. 3 buttons like this. When I press Control Alt and Delete, that is what comes on the screen. Guys, share this live. That's what comes on the screen. What comes on the screen, it is lock, switch user, sign out, change password, task manager. Then here down there is Wi-Fi button, and this is where the shutdown is. You bring the cursor here, you see, you bring the cursor. Hope you guys you're seeing. You bring the cursor here, so you can see this word. There is sleep, shutdown, update and restart, then restart. Then you click shutdown. That's how we properly shut down the machines. Guys, we don't just shut down the machines by pressing this button. When you press this button, guys, believe me, your computers will get problems, and when they get problems, it will incur you money. So that one, we have understood this one. What else do I need to tell you, my people? I need to tell you one thing, that these machines are electronic. Most of people have been asking me, that Mr. Pius, my computer, does it have a battery? My computer, does it have a battery? Does it have a battery, my computer? Then I could tell them that all computers have got batteries. This is a slim computer. You see, slim computers, their batteries are inbuilt inside, like those like smartphones. You see, smartphones, their batteries are inbuilt, so you cannot easily see them unless you open the screws and see inside. So their batteries are smaller in size, to the extent that they are very small, portable and durable. Portable and durable. I've been telling you these things. Portability and durability in technology is very important. Portability and durability. What is portability? It is being small, then durability, staying for a long time. So that's what we are doing in slim computers. Then there is these computers where batteries can be removed. Do you teach also in the morning? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. But if you want to seriously learn, join our classes. Join our classes. We have classes online and physical classes. We teach Microsoft Office package, software installation, multimedia, and programming, all the stuff at a fee ku sente ntono nnyo. Okitegedde? Era ngendo I have kujja ku live maze okusomesa bila mu bibiri byokka ofuke expert. Abewala tusomeseza ku Zoom. Abatalina computer tugikuguza ate omalo jiguza ne nkusomesa. Online, yes, nkugambye nva kusomesa online class nendyoka nzija wano. Aba physical bajja ne bansanga ne tusoma. Mwenna muje musome. We have all programs. You understand? So, like for example, I'm going to show you something. Bienvenue kusomesa olwaleero. Abana basomeseza Excel, VLOOKUP. Abasinga muri awo, you don't know what is happening in Excel. You don't know what is it. You don't know what is meant by Excel. You don't know. You see, this is what we have been studying. This is real work that you need to do. Which city are you? I'm in Dubai. Niku Dubai Metro Station Exit 2. Okitegedde? Dubai Mall Metro Station Exit 2 ku kizimbe bakiyita Toyota Building kwembeera kwenkolera buli kimu. Okitegedde? Era wojja n'otuuka ku Burj Khalifa Metro Station Exit 2 gwenkoonako bukonya akasimu mba nkutuuseeko. So ndowooza olaba wano tusoma ranka, ne tusoma if, ne tusoma average, ne tusoma buli kimu. Abaana ne babeera nga babimanyi, ne tubatwala mu Access. Abaana ne basoma database management system mu Access. Oluvaawo ne tubatwalako mu PowerPoint, ne basoma presentation software. Oluvaawo ne tubatwalako mu Publisher, ne basomako designing certificate and all them stuffs. Oluvaawo ne basoma abaana bakolera ddala zi business card. Let me show you something. People are doing a lot of things here, guys. and people are benefiting, people are making money already. Guys are making money. Bino kukola CV buli kimu. Let me show you something. One of my student did this one for a client. For example, like this business card is for one of my clients wanted a business card, and my student did this. My student did this. This is a business card, okay? Now what you know, this student used the Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop ojimanyi. Adobe Photoshop. Nawe nsobola okukuyigiriza Adobe Photoshop yo efaanana etya. Ngenda kubeera wano nga nkubikulira Adobe Photoshop osobola okubanga ng'olaba Adobe efaanana etya. Abantu abasinga babagamba bugambe bintu naye temubirabangako. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nze nkugamba ekintu n'ekikola ki n'enkikubikulira. Abagala software, oyagala Microsoft Office, oyagala kuinstallingira Windows, byonna tubiina. Hard disk tuzina ziliko work. This is 2 terabyte. 2 terabyte eriko buli kika kya software. Tukuguza computer ng'eriko buli kimu. I have a problem in editing cards. Yes, kati gwe twagala. You know application njibikule kola buli kimu. Cards. Adobe. Omanyi kye bayita Adobe. Amanyi Photoshop ndozo giraba. This is where we did this. This is Adobe. Oshtegera. How much is your class? It depends on what you want to study, but the starting is 200. Oshtegera. Oyige buli kimu packages zonna 5 tuzikuyigiriza. Word, Excel, Access, Publisher, PowerPoint. Ochitegedde byonna obeere ng'obikola ki ng'obiyiga. So now let's proceed, guys. Let's proceed. Now what am I going to tell you else? I was telling you about the machines. After considering all this, it takes how long? 1 month is enough, my dear. 1 month is enough. If you are very serious, 1 month is enough for you. So now, after considering the computer generation, you consider the processor. I told you consider the processor. You can go to the RAM. What is a RAM? A RAM is a random access memory. A random access memory. What is a random access memory? This is a computer storage that stores temporarily for a short period of time. Everything that you are doing on a computer, it is being stored on the RAM shortly, temporarily, for a short period of time before being stored permanently onto the hard disk for permanent storage. That is the random access memory. Why do computers need a big RAM? For example, from 4 GB and above. It's just because all the tasks, the multi-programming, the multitasking you are doing onto your machine is being stored on the RAM before it is being taken permanently storage onto the hard drive. Why do computers freeze? Computers freeze, one, due to limited RAM. Because of limited RAM, limited random access memory, computers can experience freezing. No matter when you open a program, it keeps on saying not responding. Why? Because it has a little breathing space due to limited RAM. So when you are buying a machine, you must make sure that the RAM is enough. After looking at the RAM, then you can look at the internal storage. Internal storage like the HDD. But now I want you to be able to buy machines of SSD, solid state drives. My computers begin from 600. This is an i7 8th generation computer having 256 SSD. 8 GB RAM, slim computer. It is very good computer. I sell it very cheaply, my dear. Zala isi nyo. This is Dell, HP zizino. Twinane touch, abagala touch, buli kimu. Just I displayed this one for you to see. This is Samsung, this is Dell, this is HP. Different brands. I put different sizes for you to see. Different sizes. So now, guys, is the laptop with 8 RAM good for studying? Very good. It is very good. Even mine has 8 GB. It is a very good RAM. So now, guys, after looking at that, then you can look at the size. Are they used all new? We have new and refurbished. But they differ in prices. Okay, they differ in prices, but they are very good and in good condition. Is your number on your bio? Yeah, my number is on my bio. When you tap into my bio, it will actually send you a request to my group. But if you need my number, just tap me into the inbox follow me, tap me in the inbox, I'll give you my number. Now guys, you consider now the brand. Brand. For example, I need Samsung. This is a Samsung machine. I need Dell. I need HP. These computers are working. You may say that this guy is displaying computers which are not working. Let me pick one computer and I put it on. You may say these computers are not working. You see, this is HP. So let me put on this HP so that you can see that these machines are working. So, like I said, you just press once and keep quiet. You see, HP. Chino chenkoze chimara techinetagisa kweyongerayo. You see, portability, like I said, portability is very important. I don't recommend people to buy big machines. Why? Remember jakuba otambula ogenda ku mulimu wetaaga machine joteka mu bag neta zitowa wetaaga machine eina speed nga tezitowa okitegeera oyina okugula such machines. That's why for me when nsubula laptops I insubula laptop ezikola ki ezanguwa ezitagenda kuzitoyerera bayizi bange ba customer bange. Usanga oli ayina gu machine guzitowa gutambula mpola gwocha gufurizinga guina buli kimu. You see, this machine is here and new. See, ndozo jirengera teyinako program yonna erinze customer okitegeera tujikusomesa buli kimu kwekiri. Eno HP very portable machine okitegeera tulina neza screen touch nesagala kutinkula buli kimu guys. Okay, let's do what? Shut down this machine and put it back. So man, I need a laptop. Insindikira message oluva wano ngofunirawo laptop yo. To delivery buli wamu woli UAE. Video zange ku TikTok muziraba. Tuli Sharjah, tuli Ajumani, tuli Fujairah, tuli Abu Dhabi, tuli Ras Al Khaimah. Buli wamu ntekayo, there is nothing to hide. Okay guys, mugende ku channel yaffe ya YouTube. Bajita Modern Computer World UG. Mulabe waka akola atya tusomesa tutya. Nga tonajja mu class nkusindika mu references. Osobola okwetegereza ono omuvubuka byayogerako byaddala oba tukuba akiri. Ono omuvubuka byayogerako byaddala oba ali mutu kuba akiri. Womala kulaba class zaffe nobeera interested. Kati n'oli okojja ng'oli mu mativu